Another question I get asked is, what's better, a casement window or a double hung window? Which is a kind of a random question because double hung windows aren't really present today in a lot of aspects in homes. The main feature of a double hung window back in the 1800s, early 1900s, predating furnaces or mechanical airflow systems in homes, was to create kind of a forced vent circulation of air. So you would, when a double hung window, you'd have a sash that would go up and then another sash that might come down or go up depending on the design. But what it basically do is draw in cold air and then let it escape kind of out the top. So it's kind of creating some kind of circulation, which help, you know, in the summertime. In older houses, obviously there's no air conditioning or anything like that. So it was kind of a necessary thing to help create air movement and keep things a lot more comfortable. Nowadays, with air conditioning, with furnace systems and all that kind of stuff, air circulation can be provided just at the flick of a switch. We don't have to open up our windows to necessarily complete that task. So with a casement window, we just have a locking mechanism and a crank, and then we're able to open it up all the way. Easy to clean, easy to maintain, very secure. It's, you know, in my opinion, it's one of the better types of windows. It's just a classic look. It's a really high-end look, and it's definitely something that's going to be better for double hung, not only in terms of the function, but also the practicality of it.